Have you ever needed to separate information in one of your columns on a spreadsheet, or easily change the formatting from text to general to remove leading zeros? One function can do both. I'll give you some examples. So here we have a spreadsheet, and in this column we have our last name first and first name last. It happens sometimes with our CRMs or ERP systems when information gets extracted, and we want to separate these. So first what we'll do is create an empty column here for the first names to be moved to. And the function we're looking for is under data here in the ribbon, and it is called text to columns. And so we have here's the pop-up, and we'll click next. 95% of the time you use delimited. And these are the different ways to separate the information in your column, and we'll click on space. That's what we're looking for, so that's how our information here is separated. And now we can go next and see these are options. Yeah, this is the destination we want, and we're not using date or anything right now, so we'll click finish. And there you go. Now your information is separated. Now we have last name. Now if we wanted, we could move this over so we have first name first and last name last, things like that. I'll show you what happens with if you don't create this empty column first. So we'll go back to text to columns. And now if I go here, everything's what we're looking for. Now I can just click finish because there's nothing we need to do the next step. And so there's a pop-up that is hiding here. Here we go. It's asking, there's already data here. Do you want to replace it? So it's saying that because we're going to separate these first names into a new column, and you want to replace it and see what happens if you click OK. It erases that, which is not good. So just when you see something like that, click cancel, and then to create an empty column. And we can go here to this column, and we'll see how you can separate it in different ways. So it's not space, and it's not comma. This is not showing that it'll separate. It's not semicolon. So here you can basically customize. So other. So this is, in this example, is an underline. So now we see they'll be separated. So we can click finish, and there you go. And one other thing. So these ones, go back to home so we see kind of formatting. So we want this to be general. But right now it looks like it's a text, and we have leading zeros, which if you don't want, one way you can click on the cell and it'll get rid of it. And as much fun as to click through all of these, we can use the text to column to do this quickly. If you have a lot of rows and things like that. So because this will acknowledge each cell, and that's what it needs to change the formatting, especially with general to text or text to general. Some reason in Excel, those are work differently than if you just wanted to do as percentages or dollar signs, things like that. So we can go to next, and not really separating, but might as well remove it just in case, and just click finish, and then it has separated the zeros. Now it acknowledges they're all general format. I'm Peter Kerbel from Data Science and Consultants.